Good afternoon, dear friends. Today we'll talk about editing a recorded style, or a factory style. And here are the tools Korg offers us for this process. Firstly, you can return to the main menu of the style editor and select a specific track. You can erase it, replay, or record over it. And all this in real time. The other two options are step recording and editing MIDI events. We will talk today about these two ways that allow you to edit the style in non-real time. Consider step recording. Take for example the factory style, Dance to Trance. And let's change the bass a little. Since sounds are only added in this mode, the result of step-by-step recording will be added to the existing bass. And so, being in the main menu of the style editor, open the window and select the overdub step recording option. A few words about editing tools. You must set the interval for inserted notes. The desired note is entered by tapping on the keyboard. The position of the inserted note is indicated here. Also set the velocity of the note, or its volume, and its duration. If instead of a note you need to insert pauses, then the rest button can be used for that. The tie button is used to ligate the inserted note with the previous one. If you make a mistake and want to go back, then you can use the back button. It also erases the inserted note. To move to the next measure, click the Next M button. It also fills in the missing places with pauses. And so, back to our bass. Our dimension is 4/4. That is bass and big drummer repeated with a period of 1/4. But the original bass is shifted 1/8 from the start of the measure. I want to add an additional note shifted 1/16 relative to the bass with a period of 1/2 measure. Therefore, I choose step equal to 1/16. In order to do just that, I insert 3 pauses, then a note, then 4 pauses, and repeat this process to the end. Now let's listen to what we made. Now, let's move on to the second editing method, namely editing MIDI events. It allows not only adding, but also changing and erasing notes. In our case, I would like to apply it to change the drum. From what we hear, only the big drum is being used. And I want to change it so that every half beat a snare drum is made. That's what we see. Take one of the events. We see a temporary position for each event. And the event is a note or a control change. Next, the meaning of the note and its volume. And also, the duration. To search for a specific measure, we use the Go Measure button. To insert a new event note, here's the Insert button. And to delete the current event notes, here's the Delete button. Let's change the drum like we wanted. I make a change using the value wheel. We'll listen to the final product. Thanks for watching.